Hi, I'm Mel. I'm a bridal hairstylist from Perth. We are creating a snatched ponytail. We are going to make it as clean as we possibly can. We are creating quite a high pony, so we want it visible from the front with as much volume as we can. Starting off by sectioning our middle part first, we're going roughly around where the eyebrow is. You can see that we have created a triangle. We are doing 2 triangles, 2 different sections, and we are clipping that section away, creating another triangle on the other side. And then when we are snatching, I like to put my pony up in 2 sections. Why I like to create 2 sections is when the hair is heavier, it is going to sag a little bit more. Creating 2 sections is going to give me a little bit more tight, snatched look. I am now going to grab my first section of my ponytail, grabbing it from just above that ear, and we are going up. Because we actually already have teasing in that section there, we don't actually have to go in and tease. We already have the volume from our prior teasing from our last hairstyle. So that teasing is already under there. I'm then gonna go in with the strongest hairspray that you have. I'm going to place my nozzle as close as I can to the hair and just saturating the hair. I'm using the Holla hairbrush. These hairbrushes are specifically made for snatching and sleeking hair. The bristles are quite hard. That rounded shape is actually gonna sit perfectly on her head. So when we're snatching, you can see what that Holla brush does for me instantly. Look at that. That is so clean. So you can see how much we have cleaned that up using the Holla hairbrush. Now look at that difference. We've got a clean snatched side with this, very clean. And then this is using no product and not using that Holla hairbrush. Now I'm going to do the same thing on this side, saturating the hair. The reason why I like this brush is because I don't have to do much. It does the job for me. Using our hand and sleeking that back, just like that. That's our first section of our ponytail snatched and up. We are now going to bring the rest of our ponytail to the other bit of the pony. So we are connecting that bottom half to the top. Now I'm gonna go in and I'm just gonna brush her hair just so we have a smoother process and start adding the hair to the rest of that pony. And we're just adding the rest of the pony to the top section. Now we're doing the same thing on the other side with our bungee. We're going to add it to the top of our pony and we're going to push that in and we're going around and then placing that bobby pin under, just like that. And I'm just going to clean up using the palm of my hand, just like that. So right now, you've got that lift. We are adding our 2 other panels to our ponytail. We're just gonna brush through them just so we clean it up a little bit. Now that we have parted the hair, we are gonna go in and we are going to spray the hair with our product. I am using a softer hairspray. I am just saturating the hair with my softer hairspray, just like this. I'm gonna go straight in with the Holla hairbrush again, and we're going to clean that up just like this. You can see how picky I am doing these front panels. The pickier you are, the better. We want to keep her snatched and as clean as possible. Just like that. So I'm going to secure that behind the pony, just like that. And I'm gonna use a few bobby pins because you don't want those panels coming undone. I'm now going to clean up the top of that pony with my strong hairspray. My technique is I like to always use the palm of my hand to clean up those babies. Palm of my hand, cleaning up those babies. My biggest tip. Those little strays, they need to go. We're just opening up our curler and we are twist wrapping. This is our final result of our snatched big ponytail, visible from all sides, all angles. And there we have it.
You've just watched a small preview from a full masterclass inside Holla Academy. To watch the complete tutorial and more bridal hairstyling trainings from leading stylists, visit our website. All details are listed below.